Alright guys, I'm gonna kind of yell because I got the booth on. Probably should have turned that on before I started the video, but I'm gonna go ahead and go ahead. Typical nail brush, you can get these for $1 at the dollar store. Regular compound you're gonna have anyways, you need to buff out stuff. We're gonna start already squirting out. You can either do it on top, as I'm gonna do here, or you can get a board and do it on that. Basically what I'm gonna do is kind of take it, and I'll show you as soon as I'm done. You should definitely do this on a board. Doing it like this, you're gonna have that first one is always gonna have a little bit more than the rest, but let that sit. All you're doing is you're taking the brush, putting some compound on it, and using the brush to kind of stripe away. This way it looks like more like rips. Just let that dry for a little bit. You come back and lay your base coat over top, and that's it. On the base coat over top, I'm gonna do is let that dry. Now, mind you, I only walked out of the booth, mixed up my paint, came back in, sprayed it down. So this compound didn't dry on there long. But now you want to wait for the base coat to dry. With this, with our yellow, our banana yellow here, it's like the house color chrome yellow in color, but not in times, flash times. With this stuff, you're going to do a flash time of 5 minutes to 7 minutes, and then a full dry time before clear coat of 20 minutes. So what we're going to do here is let this actually dry 20 minutes, come back, wipe it down with water, because we have the compound we use is water-based, so you wipe it down with water, remove all the excess, and then we'll throw another coat on top of that, so that's the way it highlights the effect. So we'll come back when we're going to wipe everything down. Let that dry, water, towel, spray it down. You're gonna wipe off that compound. Obviously you're going to get some paint with it because the paint's on top of the compound. And since you let it wait 20 minutes, you're not really worried about the water reacting with the base coat, because it's already dry, ready to be top coated. And you can do this, get the hang of it, do it a couple times on a scrap piece. This way you know how you know what effect you're going for. On this one, we're just getting the gist of it, just to get you guys started. You'll come back, wipe it down with wax and grease remover, and then do your top coat. I'm gonna bring you over there. Basically using it as a paint mask. And that's it.